Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome to my channel. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of a tropical superstar? Get ready to revolutionize your health with the mighty pineapple. From boosting your immune system to fighting cancer, we're counting down the top 9 reasons you should make pineapple a daily habit. Stay tuned, it's about to get juicy. Here are 9 potential health benefits of eating pineapple every day. 1. Boosts immune system. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which can help fight off infections and diseases. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Pineapple contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may reduce swelling and pain in the body. 3. Cancer prevention. Pineapple is rich in various antioxidants that may help prevent cancer cell growth. 4. Digestive health. Pineapple contains fiber and other nutrients that may aid digestion and prevent constipation. 5. Eye health. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, which may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 6. Oral health. Pineapple's antibacterial properties may help prevent tooth decay and gum disease. 7. Reduces blood pressure. Regular consumption of pineapple may help lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. 8. Supports bone health. Pineapple is a good source of manganese, a mineral essential for bone health. 9. May reduce asthma symptoms. The anti-inflammatory effects of pineapple may help reduce inflammation in the airways, relieving asthma symptoms. Remember to consume pineapple in moderation due to its high sugar content. Also, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. And there you have it, folks. 9 shocking reasons you should eat pineapple every day. From boosting your immune system to supporting bone health, pineapple is the ultimate superfood. So, go ahead and indulge in this tasty tropical treat. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.